our beloved Marshall headphone. Its synthetic leather and foam had completely worn out, cracked, peeled, unusable. It looked like it was time to throw it away. But do you think we did that?
170,000 tons of electronics are thrown away every single day. No, John, we didn't throw away our headphone. We gave it a second life by wrapping it in real leather, and honestly, it looks even better than before. At the very beginning, we planned it as a proper project and named it as Project Marshall, with 3 main objectives. The most important one was to make our Marshall headphones usable again, as they had become unwearable due to the deteriorated ear pads. Second, we wanted to cover them with real leather to give them a unique look that stands out from standard factory-made headphones. And third, we aim to use our BULLCRAFT tools for the leather covering process and test their effectiveness.
If you want to help us build a 3D printable future, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to us. Thank you so much.
To meet the project objectives, we divided the work into 2 parts, the ear cushions and the headband. First, we researched whether these spare parts were available on the market. We found that ear cushions were available at a very affordable cost, and the user reviews were excellent. So we decided to purchase them. With the main project objective secured, we moved on to the second and third objectives, and decided to make the headband from real leather ourselves. So now let's move on to the making process. During the making process, we used some of the 3D printable leather tools we designed as part of our BULLCRAFT project. The BullHammer, the BullPunch, the BullBoard, the BullWeight, the needle bottle, the BullPatula, the BullRounder, and the BullPony.
The BullCraft project is coming soon to Kickstarter. Sign up for our project email list now and don't miss our exclusive add-ons.